In today's video, I will walk you through how to search text across your entire Replit project. When you're working on a larger project, it's common to need to find every place where a specific variable, function name, or text string appears. Replit includes a built-in global search tool that lets you search across your entire project from one place. One way to do this is by using the search sidebar icon. With your Replit project workspace open, look at the vertical navigation bar along the far left side of the screen. Find the search icon, which is represented by a magnifying glass, and click on it. This opens the search sidebar. Inside the sidebar, you'll see a text input field. Type the word or phrase you want to search for, then press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Replit scans every file in your project directory and displays all matching results. The results are grouped by file name, making it easy to see where the text appears throughout your project. If you want to go directly to one of the matches, simply click on the search result. Replit will immediately move your cursor to that exact line of code in the editor, so you can view or edit it without searching manually. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, Replit also lets you open the global search tool without using the sidebar. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and F or Ctrl, Shift and F at the same time. If you're using a Mac, press Command, Shift and F instead. Using either shortcut opens the global search input window from anywhere inside the workspace, allowing you to begin searching right away without navigating through the sidebar. After opening the search tool, type the word or phrase you want to find and press Enter to search across your project. If you need to narrow your search results, Replit includes several optional search filters directly below the main search input box in the sidebar. The first option is Match Case, shown with the AA icon. Turning this on makes the search respect capitalization. For example, searching for user data will only match that exact capitalization and will ignore user data. Another option is Match Whole Word, shown with the AB icon. Enabling this filter makes sure the search only matches the complete word you're looking for instead of finding it as part of another word. For example, searching for log will ignore words like logger or login. You'll also see the regular expressions option, identified by the dot star icon. This lets you search using regular expression patterns when you need to look for specific code formats or wildcard text strings. You can turn these filters on or off depending on how specific you want your search to be. After choosing the filters you need, enter your search text and press Enter to display the matching results across your project. Whenever you click on any result, Replit takes you directly to the corresponding file and line in the editor, making it easy to move between matches until you've found every occurrence you're looking for. Thank you for watching.